Hello, this is Benjamin with DealerSpike back for another training video. Today's focus will be editing the banners that you have on your homepage. If you're wondering what I mean by that, let's go ahead and open up the site that's connected to this and we'll go ahead and have a look. So the banners that I'm referring to in this case are these ones right here that advertise major deals from different manufacturers, plus a lot of other information. Depending on your site, they're either going to be near the top or in some cases they can be near the bottom as well down here. Jumping back to our editor, we'll go into content and then banners. There are three different types of banners that you can add. There's factory promotions, which are updated on a regular basis and will have deals like financing deals and other things provided by the manufacturer. Pre-designed banners are banners for advertising brands that you may want to promote that you have because they're popular, but there's not currently any promotion going on from that manufacturer. And of course, custom banner is where you can make one from scratch. First, let's just practice adding one of these banners in. So let's go into factory promotions. Once you go into factory promotions, there's three different ways you can look at this: brand, type, or automatic, which is a setting. First, let's just add in something from Altos. It says we have 4 available according to that dot. And let's see, 2025 buy now, pay later. Sounds pretty good to me. Let's hit add to queue. And now it says successfully added to queue. Now we can see that it added in at the bottom. However, if we did want to go through and move to the top, we certainly could. Now there is no save button at the bottom of this page, so you can see it auto saved. So then all you're going to have to do is click on the name of your business and run that publish to push it over to the site. Now I don't actually want this banner in there, so I'm going to go ahead and hit remove and remove. Excellent. Now you may have seen some different settings underneath the factory promotions. Let's explore those. So you can organize it by brand or type of equipment, but then there's automatic. So what this is you can set the first couple of offers that you see to be automatic, and they'll just pick from manufacturers that you have on your site. First, you'll click the enabled, and then you'll set your display limit. Within this locked off block that you see back here, this is setting how many offers you. So for today, let's go with 2. And then how do we want to pick them? By promotions in sequence based on the edit promotions area, which is further down, or do you want to do it by OEM brands or types? And you can pick which one that you want to do. We'll go ahead and hit save. And now if we go through and publish this to the site, we'll be able to go onto the site and back up to the top. And we can see now that we get the KTM and we get another KTM. That'll happen sometimes. We'll jump back to our editor. Next is pre-designed offers. Like I said, these are pre-designed banners for different popular brands that may not have a promotion going, but you still want to advertise them. So let's say that we have 509 and you still want to advertise it, but you don't have any current promotions. Sure, you can go into 509 and of course pick the one that you like. You can organize by brand, type, category, or there is just a keyword search as well. Now you can have up to 10 of these in here. We recommend somewhere between 3 and 5 for the single point of somewhere between 3 and 5. Most customers simply click off to another page. Let's go ahead and go to custom banner. Now first you'll design the title that displays on the site. So in this case, let's do something silly and off the wall. We'll go with Lamborghini. Banner link. Well, let's go ahead and get that off of my site. And even though it's not a Lamborghini, it's this chainsaw, but let's go ahead and link to that. So we'll go to the details page. We'll go ahead and copy that address from above this page, because let's pretend this is a Lamborghini, and we'll go ahead and paste it in there. Now you can choose to run indefinitely, which it will do by default, or if this particular promotion that you're doing is for a limited time only, you could of course set the start and end date. Banner image, just pay attention to the paragraph that you have down here. So it's 1920 by 620, and it has to be less than 200 kilobytes in actual size. So let's go see if we can find some of my pre-designed ones. We'll hit choose image, and here we have one right here, the Lamborghini, and we can see that it is the correct size. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and go with recommended size, that it can size it appropriately. Otherwise, you can of course try to do the original or any of these other ones that you want. But I would recommend that if you're not sure if it's sized right, just do recommended size and let the editor choose for you. We'll hit choose selected, and it drops it in there. Great. Title tag, when you hover your mouse over the completed slide or banner on the final site, this is the text that you're going to see. You probably will want to make it somewhat enticing, like buy a Lamborghini today. Go ahead and do buy now. And alt tag, this is a description of the image that's on the actual banner if you want to. And this, go ahead and hit save banner, and it drops it in there. Now let's go ahead and put it up to the top. Now it auto saved that. So then we're going to go ahead and click on the name of my business and run that publish changes. And now when we get onto the website, we'll go back to home just to see if that worked. And we can see that it did. Now when we click on it, where does it go? And you can see that it opens up in a brand new tab and of course has that chainsaw. Now we'll jump back to our editor. Now if you do delete one of these these offers by mistake, you can go into Archive and then simply hit Re-enable. Another thing that you can do is if you see one of these offers and you want to change the text that pops up when you hover the mouse over it, or you want to change the date or the title of it, you certainly can. Just simply click on the picture or the title that you see, and you can go in and change the display title of how it displays here in the editor. You can change where that is going to link to. A lot of times by default, it'll link to the new models catalog. And of course, you can change the date at which it expires. You've got title tag and alt tag that you can change. That's about all I have for you as far as that goes. This has been Learning About Your Banners with Benjamin from DealerSpike. Have a great day.